Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the KuCoin application installed on your iOS device. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First things first, unlock your iOS device and then make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your App Store. Go to the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type in KuCoin and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the search result. Look for the KuCoin Buy Bitcoin and Crypto app from KuCoin Pro. Tap the Get or the cloud icon to download the application on your device. Now wait for the application to install on your device. Once installed, you can tap Open the application from your home screen or from the same page as well. Always download the KuCoin application from the official App Store or Play Store. Once the application is installed, tap on Open to open the KuCoin app on your iOS. Now allow necessary permissions such as notification. If you don't want to allow it, click on Don't Allow. And now you have successfully downloaded the app. Get started with the app by signing up for a new account or log into an existing one. So that's how you easily download and install the KuCoin application from your App Store to your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.